Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, back in New York. I was away in Wisconsin this week, and that's why I didn't put out the whisper. We didn't have enough bandwidth to put out the video. However, I was in my trading room where I was whispering all day long. So if you're not in there, you guys come on in. It's only $9.95 for a 30-day trial membership. You got nothing to lose. We trade all day. I trade all day. I teach while I'm trading, which is so important. And I teach you how to trade around these dark pool prints. So I have to warn you today, you guys, today is quadruple witching. And for those of you that have no idea what that is, it happens on the third Friday of every March, June, September, and December. And on these days, the market index futures, the market index options, stock options, and stock futures expire. And that results in increased volatility, which is great for us day traders, but please be careful, okay, because we could have some wild action. So I want to go over the SPY levels that we're watching, especially those dark pool levels. So yesterday in my trading room, I called out that we had an old 31 million share dark pool print area right over here at 205.88, and so many of us were short and covered at that spot, and it's always those are the best levels to trade off. My traders were rocking it yesterday. Peggy had her best week ever since she joined the pit. Celeste killed it. Nancy was killing it. But the trader of the day goes to Yosef, and we call him the Conjunctionator. Yosef had an unbelievable day yesterday. He traded MUX, JNUG, UVXY, DWTI. So great. He was short oil, long gold, along with the rest of my room. A lot of us covered those positions. And I want to let you know of another dark pool area to watch today, and that is 207.74. We had about 14 million there, and I know 208 is also an old dark pool area. So if we break above 208, I'll look to go long, and if we break obviously below 205.88, right? If we close below that area, that's going to be extremely bearish. So what else are we watching today? Well, I got SWHC on my list, and they came out with earnings, and definitely great future potential. But, we don't really care about that. We're definitely watching the price action. And what I spotted is most of the price action was right about here around this 24 level. So definitely going to be bullish above 24. There's going to be high-end resistance at $24.75. And if SWHC can break above 25, there's another much bigger trade up to about this 27 area. All right, so those are definitely going to be the levels to watch. And I also have my eye on a couple of swing potentials. All right, so definitely going to watch these stocks. FCX, I'm loving. I like it above 11. $11.07 was a pretty big print area. So I'd like it to break up that. But for swinging, I want to see it close above $11.25. If it can close above this, and you can see this is a nice bull flag pattern. If it can close right here, let me just draw, right above this trend line, right, we could see a rally up to about $12.50. So that would be what I'm watching. And I also have my eye on steel. All right, another bull flag potential lining up here. And if she can close above 5, there's a much bigger run to, $5.50, possibly 6 on that. Going to be watching Bank of America today. Well, I got to be honest with you guys, we trade this stock every single day, but we trade it off of the big print that pops in exactly at 9:30. Every day at 9:30, we see a big print right here. And it really is like an ATM machine. We use that as a marker. So definitely going to wait to see what print pops here. But it looks like this could be trying to hammer. But again, I'm going to only trade off the print. So come watch me trade these stocks. And some of my traders are also watching BCS. All right, so Barclays, I would like to see it break above this 8,950. All right, that's what I want to say. But just remember, it's going to be triple witching today, so we can definitely have some crazy swings in the market. I just might wait until the end of the day to do these swings. But before I leave, the Cowboy called out this stock, FEYE, along with Victor this morning. Really liked FEY. And I like it above $16.61. That was the high volume bar. So it doesn't have any volume yet, but this is definitely something I'm going to look to swing into Monday. Come watch me trade along with my fantastic traders at the Java Fit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.